To use money on Apple Pay, follow these steps. In stores and places that accept Apple Pay as a payment method, pay using an iPhone. To use the default card, authenticate identity first if the phone has Face ID. Double-click the side button. If a prompt appears, authenticate with Face ID or enter the passcode to launch the Apple Wallet. If Touch ID is available instead, double-click the Home button. To use a different card, click the default card to view available cards. Tap New Card, and follow the authentication process. Once complete, hold the phone near the contactless reader and wait for the transaction to complete, indicated by Done, and a check mark on the display. Pay using an Apple Watch. Double-click the watch's side button to open the default card automatically. To use a different card, scroll down and select the preferred one. Then hold the watch's display near the contactless reader. The transaction is complete when a beep is heard. Using money on Apple Pay is straightforward.